Today in Cook the Book, I'm going to be making you pasta in a cheesy sauce. So one of the pastas has chicken sausages in it, and the other is vegetable pasta, which has got a whole lot of vegetables in it. Now this was a very, very simple pasta I used to make for my kids when they were young. And this is made with a mascarpone cheese, which is so flavorful that there is no way you can go wrong with this recipe. To an already heated pan, I'm going to be adding a little butter. I am going to be just adding these chicken sausages. So put this on a low heat. Ready. You cook the chicken sausages and then you insert the pasta into the chicken sausage and then you boil your pasta. You have your pasta basically coming out of the chicken sausage, and I promise you your kids will love it. And we are just going to leave them in this hot boiling water. So this pasta is ready. Just remember, always keep the pasta water. Onto our cooked pasta, we always put a little olive oil so that the pasta doesn't stick to each other. A nice toss. A little bit of olive oil. Our butter has completely melted. So we're going to put the butter, garlic. There's a whole lot of grated carrot. My mushrooms, which have already been sauteed. Parboiled French bean, broccoli, peas. 1 cup vegetable stock. Brussels sprouts that have also been parboiled, mascarpone cheese. Lower the temperature and just stir this in. A little bit of salt. I'm going to be adding some cream, half for the chicken and half for the vegetable pasta. Plain pasta. Just stir this around. The chicken pasta. Stir this around. So it's very important when you mix your pasta into your sauce that you let the flavor of the sauce get into the pasta. So cook it a bit in the pasta so that it absorbs all that flavor. A little pepper. So you know what, it has the flavor of childhood in it. It's the kind of flavor that you remember when you were tiny, which had not too much of masala. It was all very just right. Come here, my big child. Hot. Hot. Good.